Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how you can use Copilot in your Visual Studio Code text editor. So first, you will need to open up your Visual Studio Code text editor. Then we'll go to the very top panel, and this icon here next to your search bar. This allows you to use AI features with Copilot. If you click on the drop down, it will give you all the different options that you can use Copilot for and how to actually use Copilot, or whether you want to even hide or open chat with Copilot. So there you have it. This is how you can use the AI features with Copilot in your Visual Studio Code text editor.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.